How to buy solar leads that convert. Tips for solar companies. Solar companies buy leads to connect with interested prospects, streamlining sales and boosting conversions. Targeted leads enable personalized communication, improving efficiency and engagement. Solar leads vary by type. Residential leads target homeowners, while commercial leads involve larger, high-value projects with longer sales cycles. Exclusive leads offer higher conversion potential, but at a higher cost, while shared leads are cheaper but more competitive. Choosing the right type depends on business goals and resources. To maximize ROI, prioritize lead quality, reasonable costs, and a provider's reputation. Evaluate their track record, lead verification processes, and transparency. Test sample leads and ensure the service aligns with your sales strategy and scalability needs. Paid leads offer a targeted way to grow solar sales. Act quickly to follow up, personalize messaging to build trust, and track metrics like conversion rates to refine your strategy. This ensures effective lead conversion and long-term customer acquisition. Residential solar leads range from $20 to $100, while commercial leads cost $100 to $300 due to higher contract values. Despite the price, exclusive leads often yield better ROI when paired with a strong sales process, prompt follow-up, and data-driven optimization. AnyBiz simplifies solar lead generation with AI-powered tools, offering a vast database of 300M+ prospects and multi-channel outreach. Its AI agents handle personalized communication 24/7, optimize timing, and ensure high deliverability with email warming. Features like CRM integration, automatic scheduling, personalized landing pages, and the ability to upload your own lists make AnyBiz a seamless, efficient solution for converting leads into clients. AnyBiz automates lead generation, reducing costs, targeting high-quality leads, and scaling with your business. Streamline your solar sales process with its data-driven, efficient approach. Try a free 7-day trial to transform your lead generation today. Tailor sales tactics to lead types, nurture prospects with follow-ups and personalized content, and qualify leads early to focus on high-potential buyers. Tools like AnyBiz streamline the process, boosting engagement and ROI. Low-quality leads waste resources with low engagement and poor ROI. AnyBiz solves this with AI-driven filtering, validated prospects, and personalized outreach, ensuring high-quality leads and improved conversions. Stay connected with us, like and subscribe for all the latest updates straight to your feed.